I'm Monique Burns coming to you today from Detroit, Michigan, and we just renovated this house. The question I've been getting a lot from investors lately is, what's the process if I decide to buy a house? So I'm going to talk about that, and if you want to skip ahead and just see how this house turned out, go ahead and I'll put the numbers up there. What to skip forward to.
Well, hello, good looking.
Okay, this guy just drove by. He wants my phone number. I said I could be your mother. Move along. Anyway, here I am in front of this house. The question I get from investors who watch my videos is, what's the process if I decide to buy one of your houses? Well, usually if you watch these videos, you've probably seen one of my playlists. I've got lots of playlists where I vlog the whole process of how we renovate a house. Basically, you'll learn quite quickly in these videos that are like 10, 15 minutes long, where we talk about the renovation, that we're not just putting lipstick on a pig. We actually go in there. We're usually changing the electrical, the plumbing, we're getting it updated. So that's one thing. You'll watch the videos. I recommend looking at my video, the pros and cons of Section 8. A lot of people ask me about that. What are the pros and cons of it? I rent to the first most qualified tenant, actually, but I do like Section 8. So you would start by emailing me and set up a time to talk. We'll talk. I'll figure out what you're after, if you want just one house, if you're looking for a portfolio, what exactly you're looking for. And then you'll let me know if that's something you're serious about or not. If you're serious, I'll put you on my waiting list. Right now, my waiting list is about 3 months out. It takes about 3 months from like today. If you were to say I want a house, it's going to be around 3 months before I'll have one renovated that I can sell to you. Because all the ones we're renovating right now and the ones we're actually currently purchasing already have an investor's name on it. I have a lot of repeat investors and then new investors that refer us to like their friends and family. So sometimes it's enough for somebody to see the videos. Other times people would like to come here and meet us, and you should. We would love it. It always works better when we meet the people. So if you want to come here and meet us, we hope you're serious. I say I give tours, and then I've noticed every once in a while people are like, oh, that sounds like fun. Let me sign up for that. Some great freebie. Well, free for you maybe, but it's a day out of work for us. But so if you're really serious, please do come here. We would love it. I recommend people that have never been to Detroit before, stay downtown Detroit. Get a feel of the comeback of the city. It's amazing how all this new construction's going on. And my husband's a Detroit native. He loves to show people the downtown and the sports and the different buildings and things. And then we'll drive out to, like, say, a house like this. We did this tour. The people that bought this house saw it when we just got it. It was all smelly and gross. But anyway, they went in and saw it, and then we showed them this, and then we showed them another house that was to the level this one is now, that it was like move-in ready. So that worked out awesome. So if you're interested in that, be sure you email me and let's talk. So otherwise, let's just get in the house before anybody else drives up and asks for my phone number.
Free as a bird in the sky, that is what you are. Breathe and you know you're alive. Feel the beat of your heart. Well, life is a crazy way of turning everything upside down. So move with the time that you have. The world will keep spinning round. Don't wait for tomorrow. Live for today. Keep chasing the sunshine and go out and play. today.